Soul food is about taking the things that you have. I'm sure that most of you, if you are from West Virginia in particular, you're from up in the woods and things like that. You know how you take things that you have. Oftentimes, you don't have a lot, but what you do have, you take it and you make the best of it. And that's pretty much where soul food comes from. Soul food cooking is where I would watch my mother. She had five children. Four of us were boys and one girl. And so she had to feed a lot of people. And my mom would take, she had a little bit of hamburger. She would take eggs and some other stuff and put it in there to stretch it and, this kind of thing. But when she finished, it was really, really good. And so soul food is about just taking the things that you have, fresh, the greens and things that you grow in your garden. This year in particular, I was blessed to have red potatoes that I generally grow hay bale gardens. And I was blessed to have the red potatoes to voluntarily come back. And so I started with russets, and my mustard greens came back voluntarily. So you go and you get the things that you have. When they're showing about the mushrooms and things like that. Old Yeller back there, he brings us mushrooms all the time, and we really, really enjoy those. My great grandmother, Virginia, she used to go out and get dandelion greens and take polk and what they called plantain, and she would forage through the woods and put that stuff together and put a piece of pork, smoked pork in there and cook it, and it was really, really good. And so that's where soul food comes from. That's soul food cooking.